Back to Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. Today we're featuring something rare, something exciting. This is new for 2019, number 227 out of 250. Rod Squad for the custom 56 Ford truck. Apparently, when I started looking up, there's only black edition coming out for Rod Squad. Only one of the custom one color, but I guess I found a rare one somehow. Maybe it's a 2021. I'm not sure yet. Or they made a mistake. I don't know, but when I looked it up for 2019, they only have one color right now. As a black color Ford truck custom. But I guess I found this one at Fred Meyer's, and I don't know how I got lucky with it. But looking up, the production started, let me just open it as I go, since 2008. So up in 2008, they started doing Ford custom trucks. 2017, they modified where this plastic, the bottom began to be a plastic, and you see the bumper, it started being as a wheelbase instead of part of the body. Nice engine layout, not roadster, but hot rod. Cater speed chop on the side. So nice gold chrome classic wheels. Chrome trunk, chrome interior, very nicely done. Cherry red, I believe, or dark red color. Very rare. It's a custom Ford F100. Now, the real production of this Hot Wheel, the trucks became in 1952 till 1956, and 1957 till 1962. They were also built in Brazil, for Brazil only. So, I don't know, you might be lucky because after a certain amount of years, you could import cars left and right after 25 years. So there might be some newer than 1956. But this is what it is. Last year's made 1956 custom Ford truck F100. Right now they've become popular and classic. I'm not sure who the designers were. They didn't show any details or anybody who designed the trucks or designed the Hot Wheels itself. Just a few little details for you, but pretty nice looking red color. I really like it, actually. So I might pick up a black one also and do a little test on them, see how was the similars and the difference on them. But a very nice lowrider. Let's look up right here, take some pictures of it. Well, guys, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Feel free to comment and tell me what car you want me to review, what you want me to do. Like I said, I picked up a couple of big racetrack that I'll be doing also. Some races with them. And maybe put on the speed test, see how fast it goes also. All that's going to be going in here and there when I have time. But meanwhile, stay tuned, guys. If you want to comment down below, see how fast it goes. If you look down more videos that I did speed test, you can tell me, take a wild guess how fast this will go if I put on speed test. If I get a chance, or when I get a chance, it might not be anytime soon, but it will be, and I'll come back with it and with a comment down below. And a link of this if I put a speed test and all the other tests on it. So just feel free to watch more videos and comment your options. Tell me maybe what cars do you want me to put a face off to do a 4-lane eliminations, or the custom racetrack that I bought, and see which ones win and what will it do. Alright, guys, as of now, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a good one. Just see you next time. Thank you.